Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Mama, 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 mama. Say daddy. Da, 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 da. No, no, no. Say mama first. Is that mama first? Look at that chunk. Look at that chunkster. Can you talk to me? Yeah? Really? Your cheeks are all ruddy from all that drool. There's lots of drool there. Paigey.
No, we don't put that in our mouth.
If there's a cord or an electrical cord, she'll find a
we
way.
don't put that in our mouth.
You want to put your toe in your mouth instead? Yeah? Is that yummy? Look at all the drool. Oh my goodness, girl, you've got a lot of drool. Paigey is 7 months old in just a couple days.